I've been using the Dreame X50 Ultra for about 8 months, and when I saw Dreame releasing the new flagship model, this X60 Ultra, I got excited. Robot vacuums have been getting smarter, they've been getting thinner, and they've been getting more capable every single year, but Dreame did something that really just made me stop and pay attention. Let's start with the base station, as it's had an industrial design overhaul. Dreame went with what they're calling a minimalist design. Smooth lines, an electroplated panel that intersects with this kind of cubic structure, and a semi-transparent cover that softens the whole thing. It's subtle, but it actually looks good in a living room, and it's no longer this big ugly tower anymore. Now the RoboVac itself, it's crazy thin, honestly, 7.95 centimeters tall. So to put that into perspective, it's thinner than the width of the iPhone 17 Pro Max. That is super impressive. Now this of course is super helpful if you have furniture that's like very low profile. Maybe your bed is too low to the ground, or maybe like your cabinet is too low to the ground. This RoboVac will now have a higher chance of actually cleaning under it compared to other RoboVacs. Now the navigation system is called the OmniSight, and this generation is a significant upgrade. So you've got two 120-degree wide-angle AI cameras. You can think of it as binocular vision for a robot. These don't just detect objects, they capture 3D depth information, identifying ground bumps as small as 10 millimeters. What's really interesting is the algorithm. Dreame trained it on extensive data, and it has a 0.1 second response time to obstacles. That's autonomous driving level route planning. And it speeds up overall navigation by 200% compared to their previous generation. Now, for anyone with cats or dogs running around, this matters a lot. Less stopping, less rerouting, less battery drain from unnecessary pauses. Now, the crazy, at least crazy to me, is that this RoboVac, it notices around 280 objects. We're talking a piece of paper or card on the ground, it'll identify it. I placed a piece of paper on the ground in the bathroom, and the RoboVac properly identified it with high accuracy in the app, which I found amazing. But overall, I mean, just the way this RoboVac maneuvers around the house without bumping into objects, it's flawless. Now here's some of the things about the X60 series that really sets it apart from the competition, and it's actually genius. Dreame calls it the Flexi Adapt ProLeap system. It's an industrial first, and it allows the robot to cross obstacles up to 8.8 centimeters tall. To be specific, double layer steps up to 8.8 centimeters tall, but if we're talking about a single step, it can do 4.5 centimeters tall. Before the robot even attempts a crossing, dual laser sensors read the obstacle height and decide how to overcome it. Now, during the crossing, bottom depth sensors measures the robot's height above the obstacle and above the ground so it can safely descend. It is genuinely a practical application. I mean, this really does set this robot apart from the competition that, God forbid you have a little step this big, and the robot just won't go through it. This one will just jump over it, dude. It's quite impressive. Another genius mechanic is the proactive light dirt system. The front camera on the X60 Ultra has an infrared detection light built into it, so when dirt is detected, a blue light activates and the robot adjusts its cleaning strategy in real time. But what makes this notable is just like the range of the stains that it can properly identify. When dirt is found and mopping is done, this robot will automatically remap that area and go back over it with a fresh mop pass. That closed loop cleaning is genuinely useful. You have 35,000 pascals of suction through Dreame's Vormax system. That's a big number. That's genuinely high. I believe the X50 Ultra was 28,000 pascals. I'll put it up here, but this is this next generation, this latest generation, it's a big step up. And if you pair that up with the detangling Duo Brush 2.0, first, you'll have no tangles at all. I mean, it's designed to pull debris out of carpet fibers as well as hard floor gaps and not get tangled. The Duo Brush has two rollers, as the name suggests, a bristled rubber brush that contacts hard floors closely to pick up the debris between the tiles, and a TPU rubber brush that lifts debris from both long and short carpet pile. That combination of course means better carpet penetration and again 100% detangling efficiency. It's that impressive, yeah. But it takes things even further because there is a retractable pressure chamber. What does this robot not have? There's literally a pressure plate that automatically lowers onto carpet surfaces to form a kind of sealed chamber around the brush, which obviously amplifies the suction directly where it's needed. So if you have a home with like a lot of carpeting in it, this RoboVac is like basically designed for your home. Now the mopping system is called Dreame Glide, and I just realized I think I was mispronouncing the name the whole time. I think it's not Dreamy, I think it's Dreame. You know what? I think that's right.
Hello, Dreamy.
Well, that explains it. This is where the X60 does something that I haven't seen before, at least not at 100 degrees Celsius. The mop pads are thermal mop pads and they store heat, keeping them at above 40 degrees Celsius for at least 4 minutes of mopping. That's enough time to break down light grease and oil without you having to pre-treat anything. This is great if you ever notice a small stain on your floor and you can just pick the room it's in using the app, and the RoboVac will go there and clean it with fresh 100 degrees Celsius mop pads. They do spin at 230 RPM and they have 15 newtons of downward pressure. Pretty darn smart. The mopping performance of this vacuum is amazing, and it will leave your floors looking clean and streak free. And by the way, if you ever want to use more or less water, you can go ahead and customize it further in the app. Now let's talk about the actual base station, the way it cleans, because yeah, it's impressive. It's called the ThermoHub. The washboard in the base station has a heating element that raises the surface temperature to 100 Celsius to clean the mop pads. The fast spinning mop pads scrub against the washboard. This is kind of hard to show because you can't really see it. Anyway, it does that, and then a suction port pulls the dirty water away. There are some safety interlocks, so the washboard sensor, if it senses that the washboard is too hot, the robot will actually stay at the base station until the washboard cools off. So if you have kids or pets, it's not going to be a risk to them. After it's done washing the mop pads, the base station of course will dry the mop pads with hot air. This of course is super helpful, not only to prevent it smelling bad, but also to prevent mildew and actually do a good job of cleaning, because obviously you're not going to want your mop pads to be full of mildew while it's cleaning your house. That would be disgusting. Two more features that together make a real difference for edge and corner cleaning. Now the first is this extending side brush. It physically reaches out to capture debris in tight corners and under furniture edges. The second is what is called the Mop Extend Robo Swing technology. Now this means the mop basically extends mechanically and then it twists, and it can reach up to 4 centimeters into low profile corners and crevices. This handles things like the base of kitchen islands, baseboards, and near your fridge. Once this RoboVac finishes its cleaning, it automatically drives to the power dock and starts auto emptying as well as auto cleaning and drying of the mops. Dreame rates the dust bag at up to 100 days of hands-free emptying between changes, and the base station has a clean water tank of around 4.2 liters and a used water tank of around 3 liters. Now to make the water even more hands-free, there's also an optional kit where it automatically refills and automatically empties the base station. So I mean that's truly hands-free. You just hook it up and never worry about it again. So who's the Dreame X60 Ultra for? Well, if you have a home with a mix of hard floors, carpet, pets, tight furniture clearances, this is basically built specifically for your situation. The thin body, the ProLeap system, the 35,000 pascals of suction with the improved duo brush, these are not incremental upgrades. They're meaningful changes that solve real problems that most RoboVacs just don't address. So what do you think of the X60 Ultra? Do you love it? Let me know down below in the comments. I don't know about you. Again, I was super excited to receive mine, and I cannot wait to see what the next 8, 9, 10 months will bring, or whenever the next one comes out. I guess we'll see. Anyway, if you guys enjoyed today's video, definitely click that like button. And if you're new here and you like no BS tech reviews, definitely subscribe. As always, this was Mark from Mark's Tech. Adios.